Dito lang naman yung sa lalakad ka. Nakita mo eh. Pwede ko yun kaya akyat yung dalawa doon, picturean ko kayo. Gina? Na? Kaya kayo doon, picturean ko. Ayoko pa rin ko yun. Nelson.
So Nelson,
Video pala.
what can you say about Asian Hospital?
Asian Hospital is the
best hospital in Asia.
hospital here in Australia. So Australia.
Ano?
No comment, no?
No comment.
Asian? The best.
Asian. Shan Bakajo? Not really, not here.
Sanchay? Sir, lagi ko po festival, ha? Asia.
Oh.
Pare ko hindi ba yan sa batere?
Hindi.
Malubat ni mamaya ha. I-delete mo yan ako.
Hindi yan. Oh. Nalakad tayo sa heaven.
What did you say about Irene?
Oh yeah.
Irene? Ano naman gano'n, mahiring tayo dito pag na-replay yung video.
Sige, sensor.
So, ang gagawin natin ng kotse.
Mitch.
Mitch. Anong sasabi mo kay Mitch?
Mitch. Aros caldo.
Mitch
ball.
Oo.
Mitch
Ikaw,
ball.
kay Edel naman, di ba nagkasabay kayo kanina? Kasabay kayo kanina ni Edel. Oh. So, anong masasabi mo?
Edel ball. He's one of the fans of Nelson's Patron.
Ha? Di ba malambot eh.
Yes, malambot.
That's true.
Di ba? Ika Nelson, di ba masarap yun?
Edel, should we...
Ha?
No. You're bunching, huh?
Kaya no?
Edel is
It's a sunny
short
afternoon.
but
It's a sun... Short but not fat.
Shortcut.
Ano?
short but
Oh, here is the...
Huh?
Umukong.
Yan na yung festival.
Oh, malapit na yung...
Pag-abot tayo sa festival. Hanapin natin yung festival.
Para maganda yung natin, muna tayo.
Irene is
Ano apelido niya? Ano pare ko?
delicious.
Irene Delicious, ano?
Delicious beauty
Irene,
that never tastes by Jopa.
Irene Yumang.
Irene Gulay.
Irene Yumang.
Lumang?
Ha?
Lumang?
Yumang. So ngayon tatawid tayo. Yan na, tatawid tayo.
You mangligaw. You mangligaw Irene.
Tatawid tayo.
Yes.
Kaya, tawid na. Go. Kita mo yun, nakatawid kami. Ang grabe, nakatawid kami. Ay, kotse ni Dennis, oh.
Unbelievable. Yan.
Nelson,
Yes.
sabi mo.
Yes, sir. Can you
Ayun na, I'm gonna focus our destination.
Where?
Destination, festival.
From Asian Hospital to Festival Mall.
Festival Mall.
And
Sabi,
after
oh.
Festival Mall, we're going to
Oh.
Sogo. Sogo is Shira, Oscar, Golf Oscar. That is what we call Sogo.
That's the first word.
So,
Sogo and Festival here today.
Where brand?
Sogo at Festival.
Mapuno. So, ayun.
So we go to festival right after this. Then
Going to Sogo.
we're gonna meet Miss Irene from HR department. Same time Miss Edel is there.
Nabanggit yung pangalan kasi.
Jopat's preparing for his speech.
The longest. That's the longest in Asia.
longest etet.
Hanggang pusod. Hanggang pusod ang haba.
Lagpas ang ulo doon.
Sa ulo.
Uh,
8 by 8.
I think Miss Irene saying regarding that matter.
She can say all the
Yes,
things.
enough.
All the things in
Enough.
heaven.
Yes, Miss Irene, enough for that size.
Ba? Talaga?
You know why? job, but it's very
Very
Yeah.
acrobatic.
very acrobatic.
Mga nakadayo dito.
Galing oh.
Bus. Basta. Festival.
Amilo Hot.
Oh, Festival Mall. From Asian to Festival Mall.
Oh,
Wow.
yeah.
Galing.
So after how many miles?
So that
we
is the
arrive here.
entrance
At our
of
destination.
Festival Mall.
Festival Mall. Alright, Festival Mall.
This is the view and
Hey,
this
hey,
day.
hey, 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 wait, wait. Where's the
There's
driver natin?
distraction.
This is that. Oh, okay.
Uy.
Oh.
Up. So big.
Huh?
So heavy.
Huh?
Heavyweight.
Wait.
Oh, sir, your brother.
Hey.
Ayos na. Ganda ng ano na.
Oh.
Galing eh.
Oh my God.
Private.
So, ngayon,
That's
Pare
private
ko yung
drone.
iganin ko abot oh.
Private drone. That's job at entering.
stop muna to ah. Sa